Good morning. Welcome to Make It Yourself Monday. Just had a little adjustment problem here. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I know I had a nice relaxing day yesterday. I got to spend time with my family out in the woods, so all is good there. And it really made me think about something that we use all the time. I get a lot of questions this time of year. If you have animals, raise your hand. Tell me if you have dogs, cats. I know I have one friend who has a little farm inside her house, which is awesome. But if you have any animals, raise your hand. This is a perfect thing to have on hand for animals, and especially this time of year I get a lot of questions. What do I use for this? We're in North Carolina, Western North Carolina where I am, and there, when you're outside, it's like your food pretty much, and your animals are food. So this is a perfect thing to have on hand that you can use on your animals. You can use it in their beds. I can't really say specifically what to use it for, but I know you guys are smart and you'll figure it out. So all I'm going to do is make my little spray. You can get an empty spray bottle. This one's from Walmart. I'm reusing it, so just get a spray bottle. And also you can use, if you make your own spray for yourself, you can use that on your animals, which is something I do too. But I've just noticed it's been really bad this time of year, and my animals like to go, my dogs like to go in the long grass. Good morning, Tiana. And again, if you guys have animals, tell me what you have. I have two dogs. One's almost 12. She's a shepherd mix. And our other one is a little 3.5-month-old boxer puppy. And especially the puppy, she loves to run through the long grass, and it just makes me nervous this time of year. So dosing them up on their spray, and it's non-toxic, makes me feel a lot safer. So all I'm going to do for this spray, I'm going to take a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And I know this stuff stinks, but it really works for everything. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm going to do like a 1/4 teaspoon. You could do a little more. Apple cider vinegar is so good for so many things. It's really good for their skin too, especially the dogs, their skin. And I would say mainly, I'm making this for my dogs. So if you have cats, you're going to adjust a little bit. Cats have a couple of oils that they cannot use safely. They have a little bit different system than we do, or not than we do, obviously, than we do, but than dogs, and they absorb things differently. So I'm making this for my dogs. If you have questions about specifically what to change for your cats, message me. I would say most of these, the only ones I would not, I would be a little worried with around the cats, maybe the last two. I'm using thyme, peppermint, lavender, cedarwood, and purification. So if you're doing one for your cat, I would probably just do lavender. I might do some cedarwood and some tea tree oil. Purification should be okay. I'll check back through that, but I'm pretty sure purification is a blend, in case you don't know, of citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle. So I would say at the top of my head that would be okay for cats, but use your best judgment. So what I'm going to do is I put my little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to take 6 drops of purification, and I usually do about 20 for the whole bottle. So you can do kind of adjust the amounts depending on what you have. And also, if you're wondering, like if you don't have some of these oils and you're wondering, should I just go buy them for this one thing? Purification used to actually be in the starter kit. It was so popular they had to take it out because it was always out of stock. You can use this for everything, guys. I mean, this is a really good oil to have on hand. This time of year when you've got a lot going on right here, it's a great oil to put in your diffuser. I actually used this last night for the kids. So it's not just one purpose. Cedarwood is the next one. You can also use this one for sleep. It works really well for sleep with lavender. I mean, I'm telling you. Also really good for hair growth, so if you want to add it to your shampoo. I'm going to use about 5 drops of this. And if you're looking at cost, all the oils kind of have different costs per drop, but I would say you're spending about $1 to $2 on this whole spray bottle. So it's totally worth it to have a non-toxic option for your animals, and cheaper than most of the toxic options you're going to find out there. Hey, Kristen. So then I'm going to take about 4 drops of lavender. I'm kind of OCD, so when I was looking at, I'm going to be doing like 20-ish drops, I wanted to do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So that's kind of why I did this. I want extra of purification because it's got a lot of lemongrass and citronella in it, and I really like that. And then peppermint and thyme are a little stronger, so they're good, but they're a little stronger, so I did a little less of those. And also, if your dogs need some extra skin support, my oldest dog needs a lot of extra skin support. The cedarwood and lavender are going to do great for that. And then there's some tea tree and purification that's going to really help too. And then I'm going to do 2 drops of my thyme. Thyme is really good. So talking about uses, if you have the thyme Vitality, it's really good in cooking. I use it a lot in cooking. And I also take it in a capsule for wellness. And of course, you guys know lavender can pretty much be for anything. If you don't know what to use on it, try lavender first. It's the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. And peppermint is so good. Just rub a little bit on your tummy. You can take the Vitality version in a glass of water or stick a little bit on your tongue. It is amazing. Or if you just need an energy boost, rub a little bit on the back of your neck or just breathe in. So all these oils, if you don't have them and you want to get them, totally recommend. You can use them for so many different things. So we're just going to mix that in, and then I'm just going to take my water. I'm probably going to spill a little bit because I don't have a funnel. Just going to fill it up with some filtered. We pretty much use our filtered water for everything because we're really sensitive to the chemicals in tap water. And that's it. So what I use this for is you can spray it on, I spray it on my dogs. I can spray it on their bedding area. If your dog has a certain spot on the chair or the couch that they lay on a lot, spray it there. It's just a really good preventative. I wouldn't say I do it every day, but it's really good to try to do. If you can get a routine to do it every day or every other day, or even just when they're going outside, especially give them a nice little spray down. I usually just kind of cover their eyes like this and just spray them down. And I spray a little bit on my hand and rub it on their belly a little bit, and it's just really, really good. We're in the woods, so it works for my dogs. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy that. If you end up making it, let me know. Please feel free to share with anybody that has pets and would like a non-toxic option for their animals. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.